first start up of this BSA A65. I started it about a minute or two ago. It's very wet sump because I filled the crankcase with oil as well to make sure plenty of oil got splashed around when I started it. I don't know if it can be seen in there, but the oil pipes are connected up the right way now, so it's pumping oil the correct way, where it's trying to pump it the wrong way and not doing anything when it came here. Oil going up the rocket beam. I put about a pint and a half of oil into the crankcase, so I'm not surprised to see that smoke. We've still got back wheel to sort out. Dent in the rim. Sounds a lot happier with life than it did when it first came here anyway. Smoke is starting to clear a little now. Horrible dry squeak inside the engine as well before, and that's also disappeared. That's not bad for a first attempt. A couple of adjustments to make, start it up and warm it up again, and maybe fine adjust the ignition timing and put the seat back on, and it won't be far off, ready to have a little go up the lane and see how it goes.